All right, we got a really big wooden spool here, and just like it's printed on the top, 43 across and 24 high is what it is, and then the center is 18 high. And we are going to make a table out of it to go down in our gazebo. We actually started taking it apart already, and these rods are what holds it together that go in here. There's 5 of them. And so we actually have them removed, so it's kind of wibbly wobbly right now. We're going to take the top off, and we're going to come up with some leg configuration. We're going to remove the bottom altogether and the guts on the inside, the wood, and we are going to make a table. We're going to use this, try this stuff out, lacquer from Rust-Oleum. Hopefully that'll kind of weatherproof it. Yeah, I just went ahead and I emptied out the can on this thing, put another layer on the whole thing, nice and even, and then I just used up the rest of the can too, went around the edges and everything, and especially went inside the holes. And it definitely makes it look pretty cool. Love that rustic look with the lettering on it. I think it's going to look really neat once we attach those legs to it and complete this project. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. So here's the leg system that we came up with. Picked up this black pipe, 1/2-inch pipe. So this will be the base or the table top will sit right on these. These are just caps at the bottom, just so you can move it around good. And these are like a 3-way elbow, and actually this one's got a 5th piece on the bottom, but just using the 4. 10 inches on either one of these, and then this is a 10-2 on top, and then an 8 down below. Pretty simple design. It should hold up good. All right, we decided to scrap the idea of the black legs on this table. We found out later that we could do it much cheaper, and actually it looks kind of cooler with the galvanized legs. So we ended up returning those, and we got these instead. And I'm gonna screw them in with just some 2-inch screws here, just regular construction screws. And I got a little bit of wobble in it right now, but I'm sure once we turn it around, if I can adjust these legs a little bit, then I can stop it. And once I screw it in, this wobble on the underside of the table will go away. It's just mainly the ones that sit on the floor. Then I'll have a little bit of room for adjustment. Really like the way it turned out. For the most part, it's been out of the elements, but it could get rained on down here a little bit. Hence the rust there. Maybe I could put something on there so that doesn't happen, but it's really not bugging me that bad. Ouch. Sorry, kitty. And I really like the way it turned out with the legs and everything. It's that whole assembly. Really looks nice. It's a great addition to our gazebo.